I love a 3-ingredient cocktail, and the Sidecar is one of those. Today I'm going to make 3 versions of that classic cocktail. Hi everybody. So there are a few versions of the history of the Sidecar. Now in David Embry's 1948 Fine Art and Mixing Drinks, it says that it was created for a friend of his in Paris during World War I. He says that it was called the Sidecar because the customer that would come in, who was an officer in the army, would get transported back and forth on a motorcycle sidecar. Now it seems that that bar was Harry's New York bar in Paris. I was lucky enough to go to Paris and try a sidecar at Harry's. I think they also created the White Lady, which is one of the cocktails that we're going to do today, and also I think the Bloody Mary. So it's made of 3 simple ingredients, and the first one is 30 mils or 1 ounce of a good cognac. We're using the Courvoisier VSOP. I really love cocktails with cognac. I think they're not used enough. Next ingredient, 30 mils or 1 ounce of a triple sec. I'm using Cointreau. I like using the Cointreau because it's 40% ABV, so it adds a little bit more kick to this cocktail. And last but not least, 30 mils of 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Ice to the shaker. Give it a really good shake. Now we're going to double strain that into a chilled cocktail glass. I'm using a Angie Camorra today. And for the garnish, I'm going to use just a small twist of lemon, sprayed over the top to get those oils, and dropped in. That's the Sidecar. Let's give it a try. Yum, delicious. Just perfectly balanced, honestly. That sour, the sweetness from the Cointreau. That cognac is the hero. It's definitely in that back. It's like the base thing in this cocktail, or the backbone is probably a better way to say it. The only downside to this drink really is it's super strong and you've got to be really careful with it. When I drank it at Harry's New York bar, I did have a few of them and pretty much staggered out the bar. Should you try one? Absolutely. Classic cocktails, you really need to learn those. Let's try the next one. All right, so the variation of the Sidecar that I'm going to do next is a Outrigger, which is pretty much a rum sidecar. I'm not sure who created this cocktail, so please comment below if you know who it was, but one thing that I do know is this drink is beautiful. I'm a massive rum fan. And another thing that I like about it is it's pretty boozy. This is even stronger than the Sidecar. It calls for 60 mils or 2 ounces of aged rum. Today, I'm going to use the Havana Club Extra Añejo. Special shout out to all my friends from Pernod Ricard. Next up, 30 mils of a triple sec or 1 ounce. I'm going to use Cointreau. This is our house, I guess, triple sec here at the 18th Amendment bar. And last but not least, 15 mils or half an ounce of lemon juice. Add some ice to your shaker. Give it a good shake. I'm going to double strain this into my chilled Angie Camorra glass. Now normally in a Sidecar you have a lemon twist. I think I'm going to use an orange twist as a garnish for this one because I think it'll go really nicely with the rum. And also you already have the triple sec, which is the orange flavour. Just a small one there, but I'm going to discard. Sometimes I don't like things just floating around in my drink. All right, let's try this. The Outrigger. Ooh. That's boozy. I mean, this is dangerous. 3 shots of alcohol. However, very well balanced. I was surprised. I was wondering why there was only 15 mils of the lemon juice. That sourness is just exactly on point. The rum is definitely coming through. The Cointreau, not so much. It's just beautiful. It's just sitting there in the back, hovering around, doing what it should. That's a really good drink. Now, do I like it better than an original Sidecar? Ooh, it's up there, but I think this Sidecar just nudges it out. Okay, last cocktail is the White Lady. I'm sure most of you guys would have tried a White Lady. If you haven't, where have you been? Beautiful drink. This may possibly be my favorite out of the three. Let's give it a try. The first thing that it calls for is 30 mils of a gin. I'm using the Imbue Distillery Suburban Gin. I'm a massive fan of this stuff. It is local here in Victoria. And as you probably noticed, I've put it in a few of the videos too. Next up, once again, 30 mils of triple sec or Cointreau. And last but not least, 30 mils, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add some ice. Give it a shake. Okay, we're going to double strain that or fine strain that into a Nick and Nora glass. I think I'm going to drink the whole one. And for a garnish, just once again, just a small orange twist. Drop that in there. That is the White Lady cocktail, also known as the Chelsea Sidecar or the Vivian Forever. Let's give it a taste. Yum. I'm sorry, but this is my favorite. I prefer this over the Sidecar with the cognac. Now, it was created at the same place. Obviously, he just subbed it out, the gin for the cognac. But what I like about this is it's just a lot more brighter. Those botanicals from the Suburban Gin are coming through. Definitely got to try it, guys, if you haven't tried this gin. I love it. And just that sour and sweet element, it's just perfectly balanced. If you want to learn about cocktails and learn about balance, this is probably, this and a daiquiri are the ones that you need to get it exactly right, and you'll know what I'm talking about when it's perfectly balanced between that sweet and sour element. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Just got to hit that button or hit that bell notification, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.